Welcome to Express IRS Forms. It's your 1099 filing made easy. When you're reporting information to the IRS on Form 1099, it's important to keep in mind what's also required to be reported to your state. Depending on where you're filing, you may need to send your 1099s along with a reconciliation form to your State Department of Revenue in addition to the IRS. For 1099s, the IRS created the Combined Federal State Filing Program, or CFSF program. This means that for 1099 filers in states that participate in the CFSF program, the IRS will automatically forward the original and corrected 1099 forms to the appropriate state offices. However, even if your state is part of the CFSF program, you may still need to file additional reconciliation forms with your state. The regulations for 1099 state filing vary from state to state, so if you're unsure of what your state filing requirements include, you may need to contact your State Department of Revenue. There are 13 states that don't require 1099 filing at all: Alaska, Florida, Hawaii, Iowa, Nevada, New Hampshire, New York, Rhode Island, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Washington, and Wyoming. Of the 37 states remaining, including Washington, D.C., Express IRS Forms supports the state filing for 31 of them, and we're working to add more every day. To learn more about the state filing process for 1099 forms, you can visit expressirsforms.com. And for any questions you have while filing, you can contact our support team in Rock Hill, South Carolina at support@expressirsforms.com. Or you can call us at 704-839-2270.